Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to wrap text within the cells, and after watching this tutorial you'll be able to learn this quickly. Let's dive in. In this example I have few words which are going beyond the size of the cell. So if I want to contain them within the cell, so I will select all those cells, and then within the Home tab you can see in alignment section there is a wrap text option. If I click this one, it will wrap those text it will wrap those words within the cell. Now you can see previously it was going beyond the cell size, but now it has contained within the cell. Although its size has been changed, but it contained the word within those cells. Control Z to go back. So either you can do it manually or you can use the shortcut. So select all those words and then press Alt H W, and it will perform the same function. It will contain the text within those cells. Control Z to go back. So this is how you can use the wrap text function. Hit the like button if you like this video.